Hi, Lea.
Hi, Esperto.
I want to start a business and I need another editor.
And now?
Are you with me?
Yeah, why not?
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Hey, Keanu.
Mr. Esperto?
You know, I love your style. It's breathtaking.
Thanks.
Would you work for me?
Yeah, love to.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
No problem.
Walter? I heard you're into writing now. I can imagine you writing for me. Can you?
You're goddamn right.
Cool. Dakota?
Esperto, my dear.
Can I ask you to manage my fake business?
Oh, that sounds funny.
Nice.
See ya.
Bye. Hi, Esperto here. Today's sponsor of the video is 3CX. 3CX is a provider of voice-over IP software solution, including live chat, WhatsApp, Facebook integration, business SMS, and video conferencing. And not only this, for almost every platform like Android, iOS or Windows, a native app is available. Let's create following scenario. We take me as a one-person company, and now we imagine I want to build up a bigger company. Now I have hired 4 employees, who from the intro. Now my company has 5 employees. Let's set up the phone system. Click on Try on the upper right corner on the website. Press Sign up with email. Enter your name and an email address and click on Let's Go. Fill in the rest of your data and choose a strong password for your account. Then press Next. We are choosing 3CX free. Press Next. After a short time, you'll see your access data, your login web link, password and your extension number. Click Login. Login. And now this is your dashboard. It's very clean, isn't it? Let's enter the business hours for first. Go to Admin, Office Hours and add some nice numbers. Now I will add Leah, Keanu, Walter and Dakota to my system. Just go to Settings, User and then click on Add. Type in name, email, address and user role. And note that each role has its own right in the system. Every new user will receive their access data for their respective account on their work email. A nice feature is call forwarding. Let's imagine that my editor, Leah, is not available. Then in that case, you can store the number of either another editor or, in my case, my manager Dakota, for example. So my chance of reaching an editor, or at least my manager, has increased as a result. Go to Admin, Users, choose your colleague, click on Call Forwarding, press Away, then set under Forward Internal Calls to Extension Number and choose either yourself or another colleague. After that, press Save. And everything you do through the web interface, you can also do with the 3CX app for either Android or iOS. Now that the basic settings are made, we can call each other, chat. Scanning the QR code is the easiest and fastest way to log into the system. To start the chat, simply click on the plus symbol under the chat menu and select the employee. Now the conversation can begin. To start group chat, just click on Create Group Chat, choose the participants and a chat name. Within the group chat, it is easily possible to add new employees or archive the chat protocol. Also a feature to schedule a meeting directly from the group chat with all the participants is available. If you use a smartphone and want to make a video call, you will need to install the 3CX video conferencing app. Go to the menu Meet. There you will find the meeting link, which you can share easily in the chat or via email. Now I'm joining with my smartphone. Here we are. Hi. And now I will join with my tablet. No problem. Screen sharing, chat, and even a record function is available too. Hello, here I am. So much for internet communication. What does it look like when potential customers want to reach me? For example, via my website. There is the possibility to have a chat icon integrated on my webpage. In my case, however, I don't host my website myself, and therefore I don't have access to the source code. But with a little workaround, this is also possible. You just create a button and assign the live chat web link to the button. Now, any potential customer can reach me during my business hours and get in touch with me. If you are out of your business hours, automated messages can appear in the live chat or can be forwarded to the next employee. All in all, a pretty good package when working together in a small team. Larger companies, which use, for example, 3CX Professional or Enterprise, have also the possibilities to use call center functionalities, Microsoft 365 integration, and many more. An overview of the features can be found on the 3CX website. It is also possible to run the phone system through a NAS, but that is a topic for another video, not here today. In case you have a WhatsApp business account, you can also link it to your 3CX account and get in touch with customers via WhatsApp. Not bad. A step-by-step guide on how to set up and link your WhatsApp business account can also be found on the 3CX homepage under Help and Configure WhatsApp. Let's summarize very quickly. So, here we have a free solution for your business, which includes the following features. We have a phone directory, park and pick up calls, video calls, live chats with customers, call logins, polls, screen sharing, WhatsApp integration, and much more. If I ever have employees of my own in my life, I already gotten a good overview of 3CX. For a small company with less than 10 employees, the features offered are sufficient. For larger companies, the system also can be scaled up. Accordingly, there are different pricing models. So keep 3X in mind should you also need a simple voice over IP solution for your business. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and of course I'm thrilled about every new subscriber. And don't worry, the Apple video is still in progress. And who has followed this video closely can possibly recognize one or the other hint already. I also want to say a special thanks again to today's sponsored 3CX. So, bye and have a nice day. See ya.